guys, this is my tutorial for a Suzanna Floral Buffalo Plaid Leopard tumbler. I have already sanded and prepped my tumbler using an 80 grit sanding block and Rustoleum dark walnut spray paint. We'll be using the epoxy method to apply our glitter, so I've also already added a super thin layer of Counterculture DIY's fast set epoxy. Now we're ready to add our glitters. I'll be doing a vertical ombre on my tumbler, and to do this, I like to use my turner to help me keep my tumbler nice and straight so my ombre lines don't get all wonky. For the gradient or ombre, I sprinkle the glitter down over the edge, and the tilt of the tumbler helps me create a nice transition from one color to the next. If you have trouble creating ombres, try using two colors that are similar in shade, like this blue and gray tumbler spinning on the left. Let this layer cure, seal the glitter with Krylon triple thick, then epoxy till smooth. Now we're ready to cut out our leopard spots. For sizing, I use my measuring tape to get an idea of the width and height of my tumbler and size my decal around 8 inches high. Sizing will vary, so be sure to measure your tumbler before you cut. I bought this Buffalo Plaid print a couple years ago for another tumbler, and it came in 2 half sheets. I'll post a link below for the full sheets with the same pattern, so you won't have to worry about finagling your vinyl, so it will cut right. Here are the transfers from Southern Belle Glitters. You get a transfer tool as well as 2 full sheets of transfers. I'll be using the fall themed florals for my tumbler. The other sheet has florals with brighter colors that would be perfect for spring or summer themed tumblers. They are super easy to use. Just cut out the pattern you want, peel, stick, and then rub them on. Southern Belle has several other transfer designs and styles, so definitely check out the website. guys, because I used a black textured vinyl on my tumbler, you can slightly see the indent of the plaid vinyl underneath. You have to tilt the cup at an angle while it's cloudy during the summer equinox, so yeah. But if you think that will bother you, seal the plaid spot layer before you add the black spots on top, or just use plain black vinyl and you won't see any indents whatsoever. Black vinyl under epoxy can cover a multitude of sins, Lord mercy. Because this was my first time using the transfers, I decided to seal them with CCDIY Quick Coat before I sealed the layer. The edges of the transfer disappeared under the epoxy and they work beautifully on light or dark tumblers. I absolutely love Posca paint pens. They are nice and opaque and go on so smoothly. This is the same brand I use in my Christmas lights tumbler video. For this tumbler, I'll be outlining the leaves and flowers and outlining some of the lighter parts inside the flower as well. Use your own discretion, you guys, and do what you like. You don't even have to outline the flowers at all if you don't want to. Of course, I wouldn't be me without adding some sort of extra sparkle. So for my last coat of epoxy, I'll be mixing in a little bit of moon dust into my epoxy to give my tumblers some shimmer. I let them cure, and then I was all done. That's it, guys! Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Have fun making your Suzanna Floral Buffalo Plaid Leopard tumblers, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!